Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we will be getting into a couple of very good effects for Final Cut Pro. Now let's get into it. Okay, here's our clip. And what we want to do is we want to click Option and hold up to make a duplicate clip. After we do that, we are going to click on the top clip and we're going to go to this icon right here. It's like an upside down triangle. This is for the color inspector, and we're gonna choose any color we want. I'm gonna go with a purple today. Okay, as you get your color, you want to click on the top clip again, and we want to go to this effects tab right here and go to mask, and we want to go to our graduated mask, and we're gonna drag that on the top clip. Now, as we drag that on the top clip, we want to go back to our inspector panel right here. And to show that this is working, you're going to see these two circle icons right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to flip this. We're going to reverse this. So we take the bottom circle and put it on the top. And we're going to drag this down to where it's below his neck. And we're trying to get this as even as possible. Okay, when you think you got a good symmetrical color shade, now we're gonna add a keyframe. So we're gonna go to our target, and we're gonna go to our center, and we're gonna drag towards the middle of the clip. And then we're going to take our circle and rotate it again. And hold on, rotate it again. And now we can play it back. And let's see how this looks. I think that's coming in a bit too quick, so we're gonna do that graduated mask one more time. So let's reset our parameter. Reverse it again. Add keyframes. Let's go a little bit over half this time. About right here. Let's bring it back right here. Now let's see how this looks. Okay, that's way better. And that is our first effect. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, we have our next effect. So we will have two clips. And what we want to do is we want to take the second clip and drag it over our first clip. And this effect is really simple but very effective. We're going to drag the top clip so it will match the length of the bottom clip. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our effects tab, and we are going to go to mask, and we're going to go to shape mask, and we're going to drop that on top of the top clip. And we're going to make adjustments here. We're going to stretch this a bit, move this over here to the right, and as you can see, it's already working. We're going to put our playhead to the beginning. We can do some feathering, and we're gonna make the fall off -100 and the feather -100. And now we're gonna add keyframes to the radius and the transforms, positions, scale. Now, after we did that, we're gonna just scrub through our timeline bit by bit and just adjust the mask wherever you would like. Bring this all the way down right here. Just keep scrubbing and keep adjusting. Now let's check it out from the top. Very, very cool effect right there. And that is our shape mask effect. Now let's move on to our last effect. And I made this one special for you guys for sticking around for the whole vid. So I hope you enjoy this next effect. Okay, for our last and final clip, this is one of my favorite effects. It will be available in the link below, so go check that out. But this is a 3D drop zone effect that I use in a lot of my documentaries. And I use this for like news articles, and it can be used in music videos. It can be used for a lot of things, but I usually use tweets for this. But we're going to add our drop zone. When you download it, it's going to be in the titles tab right here under my titles. We're going to drop the 3D drop zone right here. And as we click on it, let's go back to our media. As we click on the 3D drop zone, you see there's a drop zone right here for you to put whatever media you want right here. So as I click on that, I'm going to get my media and apply the clip. And as I apply the clip, I'm going to hover over it, and you see that the clip is not showing up. So we're going to adjust that in the pan right here. So we're going to go to our Y axis and move down, and here comes the tweet right here. And I'm going to just overlap these. I'm going to do it like 3 times. So I'm going to put another drop zone on top of here right here. And as we go hover over there, you see there's blank. You're going to click on it, go back to the drop zone, and we're going to pan up to where the tweet is, and then apply the clip. And we're going to add one more. So go back to the titles and 3D, B3D drop zone. Going to hover over it. Same routine, and apply. And let's play it back. Really, really cool. Really cool effect right there. And you can adjust them as you feel. You can make it, you can rotate it, you can bring it down, you can rotate it this way. There's all types of things you can do with this. This is one of my favorite plugins. Like I said, it's in the link in the description below. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some knowledge about Final Cut Pro post-production. And be sure to like and consider subscribing, because we will have a lot of content dropping soon. So thank you guys for visiting today, and have a great day. Thank you.